Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got something a little more fun for you guys. If you guys already seen the last video, you guys know I ordered a wide body kit for my car. And that'll be here hopefully in about 2 weeks, week and a half. Depending how long shipping takes and if it gets stuck in customs or some shit. I don't know, we'll see. As far as I know though, maybe by the time this video's out, the kit will already be here and I'll already be starting the build process and putting out videos for that. But I wanted to take a step back and do some fun stuff. I ordered a bunch of parts off of Wish. I'm sure you guys have seen those videos. Shout out to Robbie Ferretti, I believe is his name. He did it on a BRZ. He's up in Canada. Super dope channel. He even did like a budget EG hatch, which was pretty fucking cool, but he scrapped that and he's doing like real shit now. But I figured, you know what, let's just do some dumb shit to the Subaru. All the parts are coming off anyways, so it doesn't really matter. I try to talk as little as I can besides this first minute or so, and then we'll get straight into clips and cool cinematography the best I can with the slider and the gimbal. Get this started. So I'm just gonna move my car out of the driveway and facing the other way so I have a little bit more space. My car is loud as shit, so the audio is probably gonna cut right now. I'm gonna get the tripod set up with the slider and bring out all my stuff that I bought. I'll show you guys all the stuff I got. It's about like 9 things. I don't know if I'm gonna do all 9 today. I mean, I'm honestly probably just gonna double-side tape everything and just leave it at that. I probably won't see my car with it for very long. I actually put 2 pieces on just to see how it would look, and it looked really fucking awesome. But it rained that night when my car was out, and the next morning I needed to move it, and I didn't even look, and I ran over both of them and they're both wrecked. I'll probably throw it on just to see the car as a whole with everything. And yeah, I'm a little bit under the weather. My voice might sound a little nasally. I'm finally getting better. I feel like I've been sick all winter. But yeah, let's get the car started and moved. If you guys haven't seen, there goes my key. Probably the coolest thing I have for my car so far. Nice little STI key. Let's get this started. Alright guys, so the first one we're gonna do is this like universal lip. Super easy. Got like double-sided tape. Just put it on your bumper. Shouldn't be hard to put on. Hopefully it's long enough. Sorry if my hair's all crazy, guys. Haven't got a haircut yet. But yeah, let's get right into that. This film over the double-sided tape needs to come right off, and you can just start putting it on your bumper. Don't go too far with it. You want to get it on the bumper and then start peeling as you go. I'm actually really surprised by this emblem. It's actually made of metal, like it's just like $2. You can tell that one is crooked. I guess that one's not staying on.
Just wiggle your hips and shake your chest. Just wiggle your hips.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I just double-sided tape mostly everything on. Nothing's permanent and nothing will stay on longer than it needs to. The only thing I messed up on was the left emblem on the side that says Subaru. I was on like an angle, so I was doing it. It's kind of fucked up, so that definitely is coming off right away. Overall, it was really fun doing this, and I would definitely do this on like a Honda Civic or something fun. If anyone plans on like just doing dumb, easy mods that you can do real quick and it's all aesthetics, and you don't really care what people are gonna say or think, just because you want to have fun with your car and build it the way you want it, I would somewhat suggest some of the parts I used. A lot of them are really shitty and like very, very bad quality, and I wouldn't suggest that. But that front lip, like the universal front lip, I would suggest that because it looks like it could take a beating, and it's not just gonna rip as soon as you're going over a hill or something, because it bends. It's very flexible. So yeah, if you guys are interested in anything like that, I would highly suggest it. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage of the car. I did my best to show what I did, and a couple things I didn't record, but I did show. Till next time though guys, peace out, enjoy. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next time.